In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to get your vanilla gift card off hold. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Managing your Vanilla Visa gift card and getting it off hold and get it to properly work is very simple. This process will be done either through the website, as I'm demonstrating here in this video, or by calling a specific phone number. So I recommend that you try this process through a web browser on your computer or your phone first, and then if it doesn't work, then you can try the second method. So for the first method, go over to vanillagift.com. Alternatively, if you look at the back of the card, there should be a website there. Depending on the specific card that you have, you might be redirected to another page instead. Regardless, just follow the website on the back of your Vanilla Visa gift card. If you go to a website similar to this one, you will be able to find Activate Your Card on the navigation bar at the top of your screen. Immediately upon clicking this, you will have the option to enter the card details to activate it. So you will have to enter the full card number, 16 digits, the expiration date, and then the CVV or security code, which is located at the back, like this image. And as soon as you include all of these details, you will be able to click continue and get the card off hold. If this still doesn't work for whatever reason, like I said, double check the website at the back of the card. And for the second method, if you look at the back of the card, you will also be able to find a specific phone number. This phone number, as you might expect, will also allow you to get your Vanilla Visa gift card off hold. You will have to present the information about the card like they request, and as long as you provide all of the necessary details, the card will be properly activated and off hold. So contact them by either the website, as I've demonstrated here, by yourself, or by calling the number at the back. You will be able to select the specific card type, so Vanilla Visa here, and then call them at this number or the number at the back of the specific card that you have, and they will be able to get this issue resolved. I hope I was able to help you on how to get your Vanilla Visa gift card off hold. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.